Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and this is just a quick flip through of the journal folio that I used a tutorial online to make. The cover, you can't really see it, but all the lace has liquid pearls on it, and that includes all the lace on the inside. And I opted for two little Velcro dots, the clear ones, to, close the lid. This is the cover, and this says remember this, and it's got lace and liquid pearls. And then you open it like this, and I made a pocket out of the card, and this is lace with liquid pearls as well, plus 3 writing tags. When you take the tag out, you can open it up, and then there's a big writing space inside. This is my notebook that goes in this gusset right here, and I am going to make mine removable, but I don't have any white elastic thread, so it's just sitting right there for now. This opens up this way, and I stacked 3 pockets and put the lace, the word, and the liquid pearls on it. Move the notebook out of the way. Here's 2 more pockets, and they have lace with liquid pearls on it, the white obviously, and then we're back to the inside of the lid. So now when you fold it up, there's also an image on the back, and this kit is called Lilac and Daisies, or Lilacs and Daisies, by Pink Monarch Papers. Okay, so that's my quick flip through, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.